Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to talk about Python number. We have already mentioned that there are two main numbers in Python that we'll work with. We have integers, which are whole number, and we are having floating note number, which are number with decimal. We'll start by doing some basic math in Python, and we'll learn how to create variable and assign them value. Let's open up our Jupyter notebook and get started. Before we dive into coding, just a quick tip: if you ever want to hide or show this toolbar, we can go to the view menu and we can make show header or to hide the header in case you want to have more room or more space to work on for this course. So let's begin with some simple math. Python can act as a basic calculator. For addition, we can use the plus sign, like 2 plus 1, and here we have the result 3. Then for subtraction, we can use the minus sign, which is 2 minus 1, and it gives us 1. For multiplication, we can use an asterisk. So 2 asterisk 2, we have 4. And for division, we use the forward slash, which if you make 3 forward slash 2, we can have 1.5. Now let's talk about something you may not have seen before, the modulo or the mod operator. That's give the remainder after dividing two numbers. For example, if you divide 7 by 4, we'll get 1.75. This gives you the remainder after dividing two numbers. The remainder here is 3 because 4 goes into 7 once with 3 over. To find the remainder using Python, we use the percent sign. So in this case, we make 7% sign 4, we'll get 3. We can also check if the number is divisible by another number. For instance, if 50 mod 5, it will give us 0. Which means 50 is evenly divisible by 5. This is handy for checking if the number is even or odd. For example, 23 mod 2 give us 1, mean that 23 is odd. If the number is even, dividing it by 2 will give us a remainder of 0. Moving on, we can use also Python for power. To raise number at 2 power, we use 2 asterisks. For example, 2 asterisk 3, and we get 8. Python follow the standard order of operation. For example, if we make 2 plus 10 asterisk 10 plus 3, we'll get 105. If we want to change the order of operation, we use parentheses. For example, we can make 2 plus 10 multiplied by 10 plus 3. And this will give us the 156. That's the basic arithmetic in Python. It's pretty straightforward. Next up, we'll talk about variable assignment, how to create your own variable and assign them value. See you on the next lecture.